Replacing the locking tabs on your Voyager cartridge filter is a simple repair that helps keep your filter sealed and secure. Here's how to get it done. Start by stopping water flow to the system. If your equipment has shutoff valves, turn them to the correct position. If not, use Hayward black plugs in the skimmer and return lines to block water manually. Next, open the air relief valve on the filter tank to release pressure. Next, loosen the black ring around the center of the tank by holding the locking tabs and turning the ring counterclockwise. This step helps make lid removal easier after draining. Unscrew the drain plug at the bottom of the tank and let the water drain completely. Once drained, continue turning the black ring counterclockwise to fully remove the lid. Now, locate the locking tabs on the underside of the black ring just below the handles. Using a flathead screwdriver, gently lift and pop the old tabs out. With the new locking tab in hand, align it with the slot and gently press it down until it snaps into place. Once the new tabs are installed, you're ready to reassemble. Reattach the tank lid, hand tighten the ring, and make sure the drain cap is securely back in place. And that's it. Your Voyager cartridge filter is ready to go with new locking tabs installed. For more quick and useful pool maintenance tips, subscribe to the Great Escapes channel. See you next time.